Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Balloon RN. It is a glove-tastic day here, and I hope you're having an amazing day as well. Thank you, everyone, for coming back to my channel, and I can't wait to share with you these amazing glove animals. Now, everybody knows what's coming up, right? Thanksgiving! So I have for you today two animals. That's right, two whole animals. That's because the turkey is the easiest one, and most of you may even know how to make it. Let me show you real quick. Here is the turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. Super easy to make. You blow up the glove, you draw the fun face on it. Family friendly, beginner friendly. Great way to start making glove animals. The turkey. It's fun, it's cute, it's great. But I have for you today the bird, its cousin. Something a little bit more complex, but still not too hard. Allow me to show you. This here is the bird. Has a beak, the tail feathered, feathers on the head, drawn on wings. Fun to make, and I love it. But look at this. You can make him fly. You take your finger, push it inside here, and then release, and he flies. All my kids at work love when I do that. They have a blast doing it. And I hope everyone gets a kick out of it as well. But let us start with making it now. Let me grab a glove and we'll get started. All right, everybody. As you probably already know, or if you're a first-time watcher, by all means, take your two fingers like so and make a circle. You're going to take the glove, put it in that circle, pinch off a little bit, just so that there's enough air space so you can blow up the glove. Spread it out a little so you can make a good seal with your mouth. Blow it up, but not too much. Now, if you're making the turkey, blow it up as much as you want. Have fun! Because that one doesn't require all the twisting and whatnot. But if you're making more complex glove animals, don't blow it up too much, because then you won't be able to twist the glove. All right. So for the first time, make and twist this. Stretch it out a few times. Take your two fingers, like so. Twist it around, and then tuck. This here I call the fissure knot. There you go. Pull it through and tied. Now for the bird. What you're going to do is you're going to take the pinky away. Take it away. And you're going to do the pinch and twist method. You're going to pinch and twist. Twist, 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 and twist some more until you get the right amount for it to stay, like so. There we go. And at this point, you can begin the drawing, the most fun part. So you have, as I've talked about in my previous videos, two choices. You have Sharpies, and you have ballpoint pen, not gel ones. The gel ones just bleed everywhere. It's a big mess. No. The ballpoint pens, they don't pop the balloons. They draw nicely on it. Sharpies, they feel nice, easy to use on it, but sometimes have a tendency to pop the balloons due to either the chemicals or the fibers in the marker itself. So use at your own risk. I will demonstrate with the marker, the ballpoint pen. Sorry, I have done the marker in the past. All right, we're going to draw on the beak. I'll be honest, I was trying really hard to create a turkey variation. Sadly, I was not successful in my attempts. So I'm hoping by next year I will be able to create a turkey for all of you. Alright. There we go. Look at it. And now we draw on the wings. Okay. And then lastly, the other wing. There we go. And done. There you have it, everyone. The bird. Pretty easy to make, very fun to make. And then the turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Everybody, thank you for joining me today on this amazing journey with me of making balloon animals. I hope all of you have a safe holiday. I wish you all the best. Eat lots of yummy food. And have a glove-tabulous day. It would be amazing if you could like, subscribe, comment. If you have any suggestions, have any questions about anything I do in my videos, I would love to communicate with all of you. Thank you for joining me on this amazing journey, and have a beautiful and glove-tastic day. See you next time.